In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar view in Coda.io. We'll use the fastest method so you can go from a blank page to a working calendar in seconds. This approach is perfect when you're starting from scratch and want something simple, clean, and immediately useful. First, make sure your cursor is on a completely blank line in your Coda doc. On that empty line, type a /, then the word calendar, so it reads Posh Calendar, and press enter. That's it, you've just used Coda's / command to insert a calendar. / commands are a quick way to bring in building blocks without digging through menus. As you type, you'll usually see suggestions pop up, which helps confirm you're inserting the right thing. Hitting enter tells Coda to drop a blank calendar on your page. Once the calendar appears, you're looking at a visual view that's powered by a table behind the scenes. Think of each day on the calendar as a window into a row in that underlying table. You don't have to create the table yourself. Coda handles that automatically for you. The calendar is simply a convenient way to see rows organized by date. Now add your first task. Click on any date and type a name for what you want to track, like a task or event, then press enter. The moment you add that task to a specific date, Coda automatically creates a matching row in the connected table. The date you chose is captured as the row's date, and the task name becomes the row's title. You're getting the best of both worlds, the simplicity of a calendar view and the structure of a table that can later be sorted, filtered, or extended as your needs grow. Because it's a table under the hood, you can rely on consistent data for planning, tracking deliverables, or scheduling personal reminders. The calendar provides clarity at a glance, while the table ensures everything is stored in a structured way for reporting or future views. If you ever rename a task title in the calendar, the underlying row reflects that change automatically. To recap the flow for creating a calendar view the fastest way, start on a blank line, type /calendar, press enter, and then add tasks to the dates you care about. Keep your task titles clear and concise so they're easy to scan, and use meaningful dates to keep your schedule accurate. That's all you need to create a calendar view in Coda quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning with your new calendar.